Hey, welcome back, Fake Alaskans. Now today, I haven't uploaded in a while. Don't mind the mess, but I'm putting a Troy-Bilt 4-cycle no mix oil and gas jumpstart TB635EC weed whacker engine on my shush. Pronounce that on mic. And so what I did, instead of going out and buying a peg, a bike peg, like other people did, I just got a PVC pipe, and can't make it too long. It's just gonna spin out of control, because I had to cut this piece off, because it was like right here, so I had to cut that off, because it was just spinning wide, instead of straight. But, yeah. We'll go ahead and start it up. Okay, now here we go. I don't know how much horsepower it has, but yeah, this is gonna go right there. But I'm waiting on some metal, so I'll make a part 2 showing you how to mount it. I'll see you next time. And then this shut off is gonna be right. I'm gonna mount it right here, because I don't know how to do wiring too much. So that's gonna go right here, and then I have this wire right here. This wire that's gonna go from the engine right there to up here, and that's what is controls in here. So yeah, and I might put a exhaust, a right exhaust, like a car exhaust maybe, on here to come out the back from there. Maybe make it look cooler and put some body panels on and stuff. But I gotta wait and see when this metal's coming. So yeah, these, you can't use these as the mounting. It's too soft. It just bends. And these are too big. So these are too big to go around. But I might weld it right here to make it metal, but I'm not sure. But the PVC pipe, I think it's 16 by 2. I don't know. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure this is 2 inches right here. Yeah, pretty small opening, but you know. And I just had to cut this small part off, because it'll go out of control. So I'll post a part 2 once the metal comes, and I'll show you how to mount it. Later.